Good morning guys, anya ako karon sa tunnel boring machine number 1. Did you remember we have 4 tunnel boring machine working? This number 1 is about to an end, completed 2.1 kilometers away from the very beginning launching shaft. So now we are only picture taking just for our remembrance of what had accomplished. So guys, you can see the axis at my left side with handrail, and you can see also 2 pipes at the side of the tunnel. That is the bentonite pipe coming in and out. So you have seen what we have completed. Tunnel boring machine number 1. Bye. See you next time. Update you later on.